Hey there, fellow travelers, remember the big computer outage a few days ago? Today, we're talking about something super important: how to stay safe and comfortable when technology lets us down. We've all gotten used to relying on our phones and credit cards, but what happens when those don't work? Let's dive in. Carrying cash is crucial when traveling, despite the digital age. Experts recommend $100 to $200 per person plus some local currency. This is invaluable if ATMs or card machines fail, allowing you to buy food, pay for transport, or handle unexpected costs. It provides peace of mind and flexibility. Pack smart. Always include an extra set of clothes in your carry-on: underwear, socks, a shirt, and comfy pants. If your flight is canceled or your luggage is lost, you'll be grateful for these essentials. Backup plans. Before you travel, consider alternatives if your flight gets canceled. Could you take a train? Is there a nearby hotel? Having a plan B can save you a lot of stress if things go wrong. Write down important information on paper. We usually store everything on our phones, but what if your battery dies or the network goes down? Keep a small notebook with key phone numbers, your hotel address, and other crucial info. Travel insurance. Don't forget travel insurance when planning your trip. It's a vital safety net for unexpected events. Good policies cover flight cancellations, lost luggage, medical emergencies, and more. They can reimburse you for hotels, essential purchases, and alternative transport. Always read the fine print to know what's covered. With travel insurance, you can relax and enjoy your trip, knowing you're protected against potential problems. Additional points to consider. Digital backups. Suggest store digital copies of important documents like passports, visas, and reservations in a secure cloud service. Power banks and adapters. Bring portable chargers and appropriate plug adapters for the destination. Offline maps. Download offline maps of their destination for navigation without internet access. Emergency contacts. Keep a list of emergency contacts, including local embassy information. Medication. Pack enough medication for a trip delay plus extra in case of delays. Travel apps. Have useful travel apps that work offline or provide local information. Local customs and laws. Research into local customs and laws of the destination to avoid unintentional offenses. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to us.